Hi, I'm Shravanandan Diala with roll number 30385435. I'm here to explain my individual contribution in Sprint 3. We designed two dashboards in Sprint 3. One is demographics, one in analysis of installation. I've did visualizations in analysis of installation. So I've did visualizations for three graphs, that is forecasting of installation prices until 2030, count of installation in millions by gender classification and genre, installation prices with respect to journals and platforms. To explain them clearly, so these are the graphs I created. Count of installation in millions. For example, if you observe here, trans women. Trans women have almost 38 millions of them are installed action games, which comes to 18% of them, 18.81% of them. And coming to the forecast of installation prices until 2030, if you observe, we have forecasted here. In 2026, according to our forecast, the installation prices on average would be 135.12. Coming to the installation prices with respect to journals and platforms, we used a drill down donut chart to explain this very clearly. So if you observe here, if you click on action games, in action games, these are all the platforms which released action games. And if you observe here, PS4 has almost 124.5% of installations. So these are my visualizations in Sprint 3. Coming to the stream specific knowledge I applied in Sprint 3. For doing the data analysis, I used the knowledge which I gained from the big data and analytics subject from my previous semester. Coming to the data research, business intelligence and data warehousing knowledge I gained is mostly helpful. Understanding digital revolution and professional research and communication subjects which I studied during my past semesters have mostly helped me for doing the literature review. Coming to the knowledge I gained in this sprint, knowledge in Power BI. As Power BI is a vast tool, I'm learning more and more when I go through the sprints from sprint 1 to sprint 2 and sprint 3 now. I also learned more about the SQL Server and coming to the agile methodology, as we are using it for our project, I'm knowing the importance of agile methodology in a project from sprint to sprint. Coming to the things which I can improve still, Power BI. As I already said, Power BI is a vast tool. There is more and more to learn in Power BI. I still want to learn more and explore the Power BI and use it for my own benefit. Coming to the database, as I already learned about the SQL Server, I still want to know about more databases and compare the differences and flexibilities in the databases. As, as part of the data modeling, we already did a very good data model for the Sprint 3 and for the overall project as well. But I still want to learn more about data modeling and how an industrial standard data model looks like. Thank you for listening to me.